version of a dash cam. This is actually the M05. This is a very interesting one. We're gonna try to put it inside my car. This one here. Right, here we go. Alright, so there we go. We're gonna be recording this. We're gonna be testing this OLED dash cam. We're gonna just try it out. Now, I'm holding my knife with me because I can actually do the unboxing while I'm inside the car. So I'm gonna do it right now. Right, so box is open and there is this first look inside here. Okay, we're gonna see this is probably the dash cam. Right, we're gonna put it aside here for a minute. I'm gonna come back to it. Okay, we got this little tiny box in here. Okay, first thing, I've got a really nice picture. Look at this, very nice picture here. Dear friend, thank you so much for choosing Asdom. We hope the product satisfies your needs and meets your expectations. An owner manual comes in with an English owner manual. Now this is pretty interesting. It comes in with a protector. By the look of things, this is a protector for the dash cam, and this is actually interesting because that will protect the front of the screen. It's really cool. We're gonna keep on looking inside and we're gonna see what's going on. So now we're gonna open up this here. We're gonna take a look at it. Okay, so quickly, first thing I can see is the data cable. Okay, there you go. So data cable. We have here 3M stickers. So here we go. We have 5 stickers in here, and we have a pen. Looks like a plastic pen here comes with it. We also have got the car charger adapter for USB, just in case you don't have it in your car. My car has it actually, but you know, just in case you don't have it. My car is a Prius. Haha. More 3M stickers in case you want to stick the dash cam. Right, so now we're going to be doing is opening up the actual dash cam. Okay, so first I have a little tiny base and the dash cam itself. Okay, wow, this is actually amazing. Look at this. It's got a okay, so at the front we have got the display here, and in the back of it we have got a camera here. So this is actually getting here. I'm gonna fit it in the front here like this. Okay, so the first thing we have is like this. We're gonna put it at the back, and as you can see, it's very simple. It just slides and it locks. That's it. It's locked now. To unlock it, you remove it like that. Now I connect it to the USB to connect it over to the car cigarette lighter. There you go, and it immediately powers up. As do. Look at it. The picture quality on it is, it's actually not bad. It's very very good. Look at me. I'm here. I'm there. There you go. You can see me, right? So what we got also touch screen for the information here. There we go. So you can record at 1080 at 720 30 frames 1280. It's actually not bad. You can record with microphone or without. You can record 3 minutes or different 1 minute, 5 minutes, depending on how much you want to record. There's also different information in here. You also can put in an SD card or a TF card in this case. So after we put the back in here, what we're gonna do is I've actually put in the 3M sticker at the back here. So there's a 3M sticker. Okay, now what we're gonna need to do, we're gonna put this 3M sticker with this. It's a double-sided 3M sticker, which is really cool. We're gonna put it into the window. Take a look at this. It's gonna be really cool. Okay, here we go, like this. It's clipped now. Now we need to put in the cable, the power cable, which is the one that's connected to the cigarette lighter. Okay, we're gonna put this all around the car first of all, so we can actually get it hidden completely. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hide it first of all. So the OLED dash cam by the M05 by Asdom is actually here. There it is. So here. Now the camera location, you can actually move it down and up like that. So you can see that everything is recorded like that. The memory card is slotted from here, and it's really cool. Now we've actually made a cable to go all the way around with the cable ties that they've actually provided. So everything has been provided with the dash cam itself. You can see that we've actually put it all the way down, all the way here, and there it is. Can you see over here? It's really cool. Yeah, and we put it all the way down to the cigarette lighter. And it's all gone inside the cigarette lighter, so that's really fantastic. It's gone directly to the cigarette lighter, all the way to the USB. It's charging it, it does work on charge, but the power cable, you know how it is with cameras, they always run out. But with this, you'll know that it's always going to be recording, always going to be working fine for you. And it's really cool because you can put in a memory card, but make sure when you put in a TF memory card, make sure you put the right speed on there. I'll put the link down below for you guys to get the right memory card for it as well. As you can see, guys, the drive is very clear with this camera, and as you drive, it is very clear. You can see everything around you. It covers everything in front of you. This is actually very nice because now I know for a fact, I can tell you this for a fact, I don't make any accidents with my car, but my wife kills my car. I have to go to the insurance company all the time, and I have to prove that they flipping made a mistake. Of course, with this camera, I'm gonna prove that my wife is probably the one who has made the mistake. I'm gonna prove that other side have made the mistake. Thank you, OLED Dashcam. You're gonna be my saver, I hope. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you need to buy this camera, it's down below in the video description for you guys. I'll see you guys down below. I'll see you guys later.